in southern Connecticut, Suffolk County in southeast New York, eastern New Haven County in southern Connecticut, until 11 p.m. At 9:56 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Cromwell to Durham to Port Jefferson, to Smithtown to 8 miles south of Babylon to 23 miles south of Lindenhurst, or along a line extending from Newington to Wallingford to Port Jefferson, to Hobart to Robert Moses State Park to 17 miles southeast of Long Beach, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. If you are in the path of these storms, prepare for damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: Suffolk County, New York, and the following counties in Connecticut: Middlesex and New Haven.